Hello, how you doing, sir?
Hey, how you doing?
Yeah, good.
Thank you so much.
Welcome, sir. Yeah, sure. Adel, how was everything?
All right.
Yeah, good.
So I got this car and
Yes,
this
sir.
car,
Okay.
and this is the key to the Hyundai.
Okay.
And this
The
is
other one
the
for the-
key. It's
Okay, yeah.
pretty broken.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
Great deal.
I'm making a video for my social media. Is that okay?
That's fine.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah,
fine.
just make sure. Yeah.
Make me a star.
Yeah, definitely. We have 2014 Hyundai Elantra making a new flip key upgrade. So it's gonna start. Test the remote. Look. We have 2001 Lexus RX 300 customer key, arm stop, making new key. See, it's gonna start. Look, unlock. There, so I use the old ones, put in new ones,
Okay.
and give you another extra.
Okay, great.
Yeah,
Thank you.
No problem, yeah, sure.
Count down, make sure it's right,
Yeah.
please. All righty.
Anything, just let me know, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Nice
Thank
to meet you,
so
sir.
much.
Yeah, no problem, yeah. Have a good day.
You too.
Have a good one. Take care.